Research project in Singapore tracks rainforest growth to help restore local ecosystem. Singapore's National Parks Board, or NParks, is currently studying 60 plots of rainforest across the 28.8 square kilometers of the Central Catchment Nature Reserve to understand what triggers tropical forest renewal. It also seeks to learn how to protect and restore the country's rainforests. The research team routinely visits each 20-meter by 20-meter site to tag seedlings, measure trees, test soil progress, and monitor seed-spreading bird and mammal citizens. Besides physical surveys, the team also uses cameras and acoustic sensors for tracking. Because tropical forests do not follow distinct growth patterns, like temperate forests with a spring growth season, NParks hopes the long-term initiative, which began in 2022, will provide insights into how plants arrive and thrive in the local area. Singapore is a Shining World Leadership Award for Caring recipient, as well as a laureate of 3 Shining World Leadership Awards for Compassion and Shining World Leadership Awards for Environmental Protection, Health Guardian, and Health Protection. Our salute National Parks Board for conducting this important research. May your rainforest-saving endeavor uplift humans and animal people of your country in heaven's embrace.